Introducing the Orion XTR10SWD2, 10-inch shallow subwoofer, designed to deliver big bass in small spaces without compromise. With 400 watts RMS and 1,600 watts peak power, this compact subwoofer is built to move serious air, even when space is limited. It's equipped with dual 2-ohm, 2-inch copper wound voice coils, giving you flexible wiring options and durable performance to match your build. At the center, a UV-coated paper and fiber blend cone delivers stiffness and sound accuracy, while a polypropylene dust cap adds stability and structure. Surrounding the cone, a high-quality NBR rubber surround allows for extended excursion and long-lasting performance, perfect for daily pounding. The woofer ring is stamped with the Orion logo, a subtle but bold touch that reflects its heritage. It's built around a heavy-gauge stamped steel basket, uniquely styled to match the XTR series aesthetic. The basket isn't just aggressive in appearance, it's engineered with extensive ventilation throughout, reducing heat buildup and improving efficiency during heavy use. Nickel-plated push terminals ensure easy and reliable connections every time, and with a shallow 3.43-inch mounting depth and a 9.09-inch cutout diameter, the XTR10SWD2 fits where traditional woofers can't, ideal for tight enclosures and underseat installs. With a sensitivity of 83 decibels and a frequency response from 35 Hz to 300 Hz, it brings tight, balanced bass that enhances your entire system. Built to perform, engineered to fit, the Orion XTR10SWD2 brings the bass, no matter the space. Orion High Performance Car Audio.